right, we're back at the flips in Orange. We got these properties in the summertime, rehab them both actually together at the same time. Let's go take a look inside, see how this is going. We actually have both actually under contract. So we started rehabbing them at the same time, we finished them around the same time, we put them on the market around the same time, and they both went into the contract immediately within 1 week of each other. But this is very nice. So this is a nice medieval type door here. We popped in a new garage door with the fittings around that. I'm really impressed with the job these guys did in here. It's really clean look. We left everything white so the buyer can have their own imagination of what color they want it to be, whatever color fits their furniture setup they have currently. Nice dining room light. So this is the smaller of the two houses. So we have the kitchen here. We put a little room here for stack washer and dryer. So they can do their laundry here. Let's just take a look at this kitchen. These appliances here, dishwasher. We have the double door refrigerator. Over here we have a little nook off to the back porch. So they want to set a little table over here and have breakfast in the summertime, watch the view of the backyard. That's great. We also put a brand new deck here with the railings. We popped in this screen door. This actually was a sun porch actually that had one door, and we actually put the double door in. We did marble countertops here, which is great with the white color scheme. And let's check out the basement. Painted the basement. We did new sheetrock, moldings, doors, HVAC appliance, and water tank. So we also finished the basement and the bathroom here, just so there'll be 2 bathrooms in the house. So this came out pretty good. Nice half bathroom, nice and clean. Let's go take a look at the second floor. The second floor has 3 bedrooms and the master bathroom. So this house was gutted to the beams, all brand new electrical, plumbing, windows, everything brand new. So let's take a look at what we did up here. We also increased the size of the ceilings to create a more spacious look. That was the theme of this project when we got it, was spacious, because you know, we took out the knee wall and expanded the wall all the way to the end to make the room longer. We increased the size of the ceiling. The ceilings were very low in here. So we got a double door closet here. This was a single closet. And we actually made this to a large closet here, which is great. We made all of the entry doors 36. Again, the theme of this was to create space. So we made all of the doors to the bathroom at 36, to the bedroom at 36. This is the master bedroom here. We increased the size of the ceilings, raised the ceilings up as high as we could. And we have a closet, smaller closet. I mean, the closet has decent space, but you know, there's a little bit room over here. So, and this is the 3rd bedroom here. This was actually interesting. This room actually came to here and we had to move the wall down. It was a closet. We eliminated the closet in this room to create more space in the bathroom. Then we built the closet over here. And this is the bathroom. I love this bathroom because this was a project, but we made it work. We did a nice towel here, a nice tub. Everything is nice and clean and white. A nice Kohler toilet. And we did the same marble top look that we did in the kitchen and the bathroom. Nice double sink vanity. So this is actually pretty cool. Nice doors. So this unit, this one of the two is a little bit more futuristic. The other one, this one is more modern actually. We used the modern look over here, and the other side we kept the contemporary old style look. So I'm going to end this video now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. We'll take a look at the next house, but I don't want the video to be too long. So I'll see you guys at the next property.